Start. All right. Speaking part two. The topic is describe a city you would recommend as a nice place to live. So please.
There are a lot of places in our country that someone can use to live as a hometown, but as far as it concerned, to my opinion, Chitral is the one of the most appropriate city to live in. It lies in between Lower Dir and Upper Dir. You have to cross Loari Tunnel to reach Chitral. I am not going to forget this place because I have a memorable experience. It would be a horrible one if it happens somewhere else. Uh, Last year, when I was with my friend, my car tire burst, and their locals not only help us to repair our car, but they also serve us with some beautiful, with tasty fruits. So my recommendation is not only because it's cinematic views and locality, but the behavior of its local natives. They are so friendly.
Okay,
But
thank you so much. Listen, overall it's fine, but the first thing is fluency. You need to
okay,
speak more fluently. The second is connectivity. Whenever you say, like you're talking about the car tire and all that, link it with the people, and then immediately you should say, therefore, I would like to suggest everybody to visit this city at least once. That is why this city should be visited.
yes,
That is why people should go there. So after every 4 5 sentences, you need to use this. Otherwise, your answer is going to be off the topic. So
yes,
connect your answer with the main topic. That's important, and then speak fluently. And fluency comes when you speak repeatedly. Okay.
yes.
Now let's move on to speaking part three. Where do people like to live in your country?
In my country, mostly people live to in a beautiful societies. There are a lot of societies like CGPS, GPS, and others because there is more security, and you have remote access to everything. And when you live in a society, and to answer your question, I think societies are the places people prefer to live in.
Okay, but what society? You need to talk about it. Society is something social. So housing
Society,
societies, yeah,
housing
you should use the
societies.
word housing
Okay,
societies. Otherwise, it's
okay,
not clear. So
okay,
use your words appropriately. Otherwise, your answer will be unclear. Okay.
okay.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.